Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. So today I'm here to present the chapter Tantara Vamiro Katha for grade 10 by Leeladhar Mandloi. Now this is a love story between Tantara and Vamiro, who belong to two different villages of a particular place. And so this is what the story revolves around. So let's see what happens. Let's begin the story. Parts are, that is a summary of the story. प्रस्तुत पाठ तंतारा वामेरो कथा अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप समूह के एक छोटे से द्वीप पर केंद्रित है. So this is about a particular village from Andaman Nicobar Island. We know the island, right? Dweep means island. So this is from a village in Andaman Nicobar Island. So let's see what happens. उस द्वीप पर एक दूसरे से शत्रुता का भाव अपनी अंतिम सीमा पर पहुंच चुका था. So at that time, at this island, there was Shatruta, there was enmity between two villages, okay, people of two villages. इस शत्रुता की भावना को जोड़ से उखाड़ने के लिए एक जोड़े को आत्म बलिदान देना पड़ा. So in order to remove the enmity between these two villages, a couple had to sacrifice their life, okay. जड़ से उखाड़ना means to remove from the root, okay. The enmity had, so they had to sacrifice their life in order to remove this enmity between them. Let's see. उसी जोड़े के बलिदान का वर्णन लेखक ने प्रस्तुत पाठ में किया है. So लेखक has done the story of the sacrifice of this जोड़ा. जोड़ा means couple. Okay, that is a couple, Tantara and Vamiro. बहुत समय पहले जब लिटिल अंडमान और कार निकोबार एक साथ जुड़े हुए थे, तब वहां एक बहुत सुंदर गांव हुआ करता था. When Andaman Nicobar were together, they were one particular place. At that time, there was a very beautiful village over there. उसी गांव के पास में ही एक सुंदर और शक्तिशाली युवक रहा करता था. And near to that village, there was a beautiful and a powerful युवक, a young man who used to stay there, जिसका नाम तंतारा था. And this is that man, Tantara. This is the person, Tantara. निकोबार के सभी व्यक्ति उससे बहुत प्यार करते थे. इसका एक कारण था कि तंतारा एक भला और सबकी मदद करने वाला व्यक्ति था. So everyone at Nicobar loved him, loved Tantara. Why? Because he was a very kind person and also one who was helpful to everyone. जब भी कोई मुसीबत में होता तो हर कोई उसी को याद करता था और वह भी भागा भागा वहां उनकी मदद करने के लिए पहुंच जाता. Anyone in that village, whenever they required any kind of help, when they were in difficulty, they remembered Tantara because he was the person who comes first to help. Bhaga bhaga means he used to hurry and come. He was there always for people. तंतारा हमेशा अपनी पारंपरिक पोशाक ही पहनता था और हमेशा अपनी कमर में एक लकड़ी की तलवार को बांधे रखता था. Paramperik poshak means what was their traditional costume. That is what Tantara used to wear. And also he had on his kamar, on his waist, he had a lakdi ki talwar ko bandhe rakha. He had a wooden sword. Talwar means sword. लोगों का मानना था कि उस तलवार में लकड़ी की होने के बावजूद भी अनोखी दैवीय शक्तियां हैं. So apart from having a wooden material in that sword, people believed that there was some kind of power hidden in that sword. Okay, बावजूद भी अनोखी दैवीय शक्ति means some godly power was also there in that sword. तंतारा कभी भी अपनी तलवार को अपने से अलग नहीं करता था. वह दूसरों के सामने तलवार का प्रयोग भी नहीं करता था. He never, kept a sword away from him and also he never used it in front of anyone. तंतारा की तलवार जिज्ञासा पैदा करने वाला एक ऐसा राज था जिसको कोई नहीं जानता था. It was something that had some kind of secret hidden in it and it made people curious. What was it? Because he never removed that sword or never used it in front of anyone. Let's see what happens. एक शाम को तंतारा दिन भर की कठोर मेहनत करने के बाद समुद्र के किनारे घूमने के लिए चल पड़ा. One day he went near to the seashore, समुद्र के किनारे, in order to have a walk. समुद्र से ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं आ रही थी. शाम के समय पक्षियों की जो चहचहाहटें होती हैं वे भी धीरे धीरे शांत हो रही थी. So there was a very cold breeze coming from the sea, and also in the evening, pakshiyan, that is the birds make chahchahat, is actually denoting the sound they make. That was also going at peace, means they were stopping all sounds and all because it was going to be night. Okay, it was evening now and sun is going to set soon. अपने ही विचारों में खोया हुआ तंतारा समुद्री बालू पर बैठकर सूरज की आखिरी किरणों को समुद्र के पानी पर देख रहा था, जो बहुत रंग बिरंगी लग रही थी. So he was sitting at the seashore and looking at the sun setting in the sea, and its rays, sun rays were also moving inside the sea. You know how the sun sets. He was looking at it. तभी कहीं से उसे मधुर संगीत सुनाई दिया, जो उसी के आसपास कोई गा रहा था. Suddenly he heard someone singing a very sweet song, and he recognized it to be coming from somewhere near. तंतारा बेचैन मन से उस दिशा की ओर बढ़ता गया. What Tantara did was, when he heard a sound from a particular direction, disha means direction, he was walking towards it. आखिरकार तंतारा की नजर एक युवती पर पड़ी. उस युवती को यह पता नहीं था कि कोई युवक उसे बिना कुछ बोले बस देखता जा रहा था. So suddenly he was actually following that sound, that music, and he ended up seeing over there a young lady. Yuvati means a. So he followed that music and he saw a young lady was singing, and but she was not aware that someone was looking at her. उसी समय अचानक एक ऊंची लहर उठी और उसको भिगोकर चली गई. इस तरह अचानक भीगने से वह युवती हड़बड़ा गई और अपना गाना भूल गई. तंतारा ने बहुत ही विनम्र तरीके से उस युवती से पूछा, तुमने अचानक इतना सुरीला और अच्छा गाना अधूरा ही क्यों छोड़ दिया? So now what happens? Suddenly a leher means a tide, a wave came, and it came on Vamiro, this lady's Vamiro, and she became wet. So suddenly in that being wet, she forgot the song. So at that time, Tantara, vinamra tarike se means in a very polite manner, he said that, why did you stop singing such a nice and beautiful song? Let's see what happens next. अपने सामने एक सुंदर युवक को देखकर वह युवती आश्चर्यचकित हो गई. उसने नकली नाराजगी दिखाते हुए उत्तर दिया, पहले ये बताओ कि तुम कौन हो, मुझे इस तरह क्यों देख रहे हो, और इस तरह के अनुचित या बेकार के प्रश्न पूछने का क्या कारण है? So when she saw such a handsome man in front, she was आश्चर्यचकित, she got surprised, and showing a fault, a fake anger, she asked him that, first you tell me who are you and why are you looking at me like this? Okay, and why are you asking me such a bekar ka prashn, why are you asking me such a question to me? तंतारा बार बार अपना प्रश्न दोहराता रहा. तंतारा के बार बार एक ही प्रश्न को दोहराने के कारण युवती चिढ़ गई. युवती ने कहा, आखिर मैं गीत क्यों गाऊं, अर्थात मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों मानूं? So now Tantara was keeping on asking her the same question, that is, why did you stop such a good song? So she got angry because he was keeping on asking the same question, and at the end Vamiro said that, why should I sing a song because you tell me so? Okay, why should I do that? Why should I listen to you? क्या उसे गांव का नियम नहीं मालूम कि एक गांव का व्यक्ति दूसरे गांव के व्यक्ति से बात नहीं कर सकता? So she asks, she's actually showing a fake anger, and she's saying that, don't you know that people from two different villages where there is enmity now, they can't speak to each other? इतना कहकर वह युवती जाने के लिए तेजी से मुड़ी. उसके मुड़ते ही मानो तंतारा को कुछ होश आया. अब उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हो रहा था. तंतारा उस युवती के सामने चला गया और उसका रास्ता रोककर लाचारी के साथ प्रार्थना करने लगा कि तुम बस अपना नाम बता दो, मैं तुम्हें जाने दूंगा. So when she got angry, suddenly Tantara felt, yeah, it was a mistake from his side. He shouldn't ask a person who is new to you, You ask suddenly a question. So he felt it was wrong. So he stopped her from going, and he said that, you do one thing, just tell me your name and I'll let you go. Okay? Let's see what happens. तंतारा द्वारा नाम पूछे जाने पर युवती ने जवाब दिया, वामीरो. ये नाम सुनना तंतारा को ऐसा लगा जैसे उसके कानों में किसी ने रस घोल दिया हो. So this is a pakka love story. Now what happens is, he asks the name and she says it's Vamiro. So listening to her name, Tantara felt as if ras ghol diya means a sweetness. He felt a sweetness in his ears. तंतारा ने वामीरो से कहा कि कल वह वही चट्टान पर उसकी प्रतीक्षा करेगा. So just like a hero, Tantara says that I'll wait for you in the same place tomorrow. वह वामीरो को जरूर आने के लिए कहता है, and he says you have to come. Okay, let's see what happens. वामीरो ने तंतारा के बारे में बहुत सी कहानियां सुनी थी. उसकी सोच में तंतारा एक बहुत ही शक्तिशाली युवक था, परंतु वही तंतारा जब वामिरो के सामने आया तो बिल्कुल अलग ही रूप में था. So Vamiro had heard about Tantara a lot. She had heard a lot of stories about him, and she also heard that he was a very powerful yuvak, youngster. But when he came in front of her, he was in a different way. Means what she thought was not what she saw. वह सुंदर और शक्तिशाली तो था ही साथ वह बहुत शांत, समझदार और सीधा साधा था. So she had, thought about him to be a very powerful and an angry person. But when she saw him in person, he was a very peaceful, शांत, समझदार, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एंड सीधा साधा, वेरी सिंपल पर्सन. वह बिल्कुल वैसा ही था जैसे वामिरो अपने जीवन साथी के बारे में सोचती थी. सो ही वॉज जस्ट लाइक दैट अ पर्सन विच ऑलवेज वामिरो हैड ड्रीम्ड ऑफ हैविंग एज अ जीवन साथी, एज अ लाइफ पार्टनर. परंतु दूसरे गांव के युवक के साथ उसका संबंध रीति रिवाजों के विरुद्ध था, इसलिए वामिरो ने तंतारा को भूल जाना ही समझदारी समझा. परंतु ये आसान नहीं लग रहा था, क्योंकि तंतारा बार बार उसकी आंखों के सामने आ रहा था, जैसे वह बिना पलकों को झपकाए उसकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा हो. So now Vamiro, though she felt that this is what she wanted in a life partner, suddenly she remembered they are from two different villages, so they couldn't have such a kind of relationship, because those two villages were in enmity with each other. So she thought that I have to forget Tantara, but she couldn't. Always she got his face in front of her, and she felt as if bina palke jhapkaye, means without blinking eyes, she felt as if she was waiting for Tantara. तंतारा दिन ढलने से बहुत पहले ही लपाती गांव की उस समुद्री चट्टान पर पहुंच गया था, जहां उसने वामिरो को आने के लिए कहा था. वामिरो के इंतजार में उसे हर एक पल बहुत अधिक लंबा लग रहा था. उसके अंदर एक शक भी पैदा हो गया था कि अगर वामिरो आई ही नहीं तो उसके पास प्रतीक्षा करने के अलावा और कोई चारा नहीं था. वामिरो तंतारा से मिलने आएगी. So now what happens? Tantara is, as he said, he'll come the next day. He was waiting at the same place. The gaon's name is Lapati, where he saw her, and he was waiting, and he felt as if each and every second was a very long time, and he's waiting over there. He also had a doubt if she doesn't come, but he felt no, I'll keep waiting. She has to come. She will come, is what he thinks. तंतारा और वामिरो अब हर रोज उसी जगह मिलने लगे. Now they have started meeting at the same place every day. लपाती के कुछ युवकों को इस प्रेम के बारे में पता चल गया, और ये खबर हवा की तरह हर जगह फैल गई. वामिरो लपाती गांव की रहने वाली थी और तंतारा पासा गांव का. So now the people over there, Lapati, where they used to meet, they came to know about their love story, and the news actually became spread very fast. Especially in villages and all, news gets spread very fast. So this is what happens, and they're saying that Vamiro's village is Lapati, and Tantara belonged to a village named Pasa. दोनों का संबंध किसी भी तरह संभव नहीं था, क्योंकि रीति रिवाज के अनुसार दोनों के संबंध के लिए दोनों का एक ही गांव का होना जरूरी था. Their being one, Tantara and Vamiro's love story to end happily was not possible. They couldn't marry because they were from two different villages, and it was not according to their tradition to marry from two villages. Okay, it was against their tradition. कुछ समय के बाद पासा गांव में पशु पर्व का आयोजन किया गया. There was a पशु पर्व. It was a festival kind of thing in पासा गांव. And पशु पर्व में हटे कटे पशुओं के दिखावे के अलावा पशुओं से युवकों की शक्ति परखने की प्रतियोगिताएं भी होती थी. So this is a festival where you see many pashu, many animals, many cows, and apart from that, it is also where the youngsters will fight with these animals, and they have to show their power. तंतारा का मन इनमें से किसी भी कार्यक्रम में नहीं लग रहा था. उसकी परेशान आंखें तो वामिरो को ढूंढने में व्यस्त थी. So this is happening in Tantara's village, and his mind was not here in the festival. It was always, his eyes were always finding वामिरो. जब तंतारा ने वामिरो को देखा तो उसकी आंखें नमी से भरी थी और उसके होंठ डर कर कांप रहे थे. So when Tantara finally found Vamiro, his eyes were filled with tears and his lips were trembling. Tantara को देखते ही वामिरो फुट कर रोने लगी. Now when Vamiro saw Tantara, she started crying. तंतारा इस तरह वामिरो को रोता देखकर भावुक हो गया. वामिरो के रोने की आवाज सुनकर वामिरो की माँ वहां आ गई और दोनों को एक साथ देखकर गुस्सा हो गई. So now Vamiro was crying. Tantara was also depressed seeing this, and suddenly hearing the voice of Vamiro crying, Vamiro's mother comes there and she sees them together and she gets angry. उसने तंतारा को कई तरह से अपमानित करना शुरू कर दिया. गांव वाले भी तंतारा के विरोध में बोलने लगे. लोगों की बातों को सुनना अब तंतारा के लिए सहन कर पाना मुश्किल हो रहा था. अचानक उसका हाथ उसकी तलवार पर आकर टिक गया. So now what happens? Vamiro's mother is angry. She started speaking ill of Tantara, and all the village people came. They were also against Tantara. Now Tantara couldn't listen all these things of people, and he got angry, and his hand was on the sword now. Let's see what happens. उसने अपने गुस्से को शांत करने के लिए अपनी पूरी शक्ति से तलवार को धरती में गाड़ दिया और अपनी पूरी ताकत से उसे खींचने लगा. जो लकीर तंतारा ने खींची थी, उस लकीर की सीध में धरती पड़ती जा रही थी. Now what happens? Because Tantara is very angry, he takes out the sword from his wherever he had kept in his waist, and he takes that and he, with a very strong power, he pushes this into the land and pulls it. Okay, he creates a lakir, a border with that sword. तंतारा द्वीप के एक ओर था और वामिरो दूसरे. When he made this lakir, this border, he was on one part of it and वामिरो was on the other. तंतारा को जैसे ही होश आया, उसने देखा कि द्वीप के जिस ओर वह है वो टुकड़ा समुद्र में घसने लगा है. And when Tantara was conscious suddenly from all this situation, he saw that he was on the part where that part of the land was going inside the samudra, inside the sea. अब वह तड़पने लगा. वह छलांग लगाकर दूसरी ओर जाना चाहता था, परंतु उसकी पकड़ ढीली पड़ गई और वह नीचे की ओर फिसलने लगा. He got scared. Tantara got scared because his part of land was going inside the sea. He tried to jump to the other side, but he couldn't. He was slipping inside. वह उस कटे हुए द्वीप के उस आखिरी भूभाग पर बेहोश पड़ा हुआ था जो संयोगवश उस द्वीप से जुड़ा हुआ था. बहता हुआ तंतारा कहाँ गया, उसके बाद उसका क्या हुआ, ये कोई नहीं जान सका. So now Tantara was slipping inside the sea. Now where he went, what happened to him, nobody knows. इधर वामिरो तंतारा से अलग होने के कारण पागल हो गई. वामिरो became mad. She lost her mind because she didn't get Tantara and she doesn't know what happened to Tantara. वह हर समय बस तंतारा को ही खोजती रहती और उसी जगह आकर घंटों बैठती रहती जहां वो तंतारा से मिलने आया करती थी. Now she was always in search, खोजना means in search of Tantara, and she used to come and sit at the very place where they used to meet each other daily. उसने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया. परिवार से वह कहीं अलग हो गई. लोगों ने उसे ढूंढने की बहुत कोशिश की, परंतु अब वामिरो का भी कोई सुराग नहीं मिला कि वह कहाँ गई. So now what happens? In this sadness, Vamiro stopped eating and drinking. She became separate from her family, and suddenly one day even Vamiro is missing. What happened to her? Nobody knows. So this is a very tragic incident which has happened over there. So let's see what happens. आज ना तो तंतारा है और ना ही वामिरो है, परंतु फिर भी आज उनकी प्रेम कथा हर घर में सुनाई जाती है. Today there is no Tantara, no Vamiro, but their love story is alive even today. निकोबार के निवासियों का मानना है कि तंतारा की तलवार से कार निकोबार के जो 2 टुकड़े हुए, उसमें से दूसरा टुकड़ा आज लिटिल अंडमान के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है, जो कार निकोबार से 96 किलोमीटर दूर स्थित है. So earlier Andaman Nicobar was one single island, but since Tantara had drawn that border and the land became 2 pieces, now Andaman and Nicobar are 2 different places, and Nicobar is a little far, 96 kilometer far from Andaman. निकोबार निवासियों ने, मीन्स द पीपल हु स्टे इन निकोबार, इस घटना के बाद अपनी परंपरा को बदला और दूसरे गांव में भी विवाह संबंध बनने लगा. सो एज वी सॉ इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर, दे वर सेइंग दैट in order to remove this tradition of not marrying from 2 different villages, they had to sacrifice a couple, and this was the couple Tantara Vamiro who lost their life, and now there's a change, that is the 2 different village people could marry each other. Tantara Vamiro की जो एक दूसरे के लिए त्यागमयी मृत्यु थी, वह शायद इसी सुखद बदलाव के लिए थी. So maybe they are saying that the sacrifice of the life of Tantara Vamiro was for this good reason, that is now the people from 2 different villages could marry each other. I hope I have made the lesson very clear to you. Still, if you have doubt, don't forget to mention that in the comment section. And thank you so much for all your comments, suggestions, and also please don't forget to share my channel with your friends. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.